Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best laser engraving machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product review video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. NEJE 2's Plus Laser Engraving Machine. NEJE 2's Plus is a high-performance desktop mini wireless laser engraving and cutting machine. Master 2's Plus is designed for the high quality of laser mark on various materials like wood, leather, acrylic, glass, crystal, artificial marble, computer, plastics, paper and so on. The engraving and cutting precision is high, and the control accuracy is very good. You can use this laser machine to engrave or laser cutting of the digital photos, character and logo on the leather, wood and other materials as you like. Number 4. ZBAITU M81 Laser Engraving Machine. Are you looking for a laser engraving machine with reasonable price? Here is the ZBAITU M81 for you. ZBAITU M81 is a new generation of laser engraving machine which is with reasonable price, large work area and high performance. With the large work table, you can work with your projects more efficiently. It is a new type of laser engraving machine for wood, acrylic, plastic, leather, etc. It is a best choice for home, office, workshop, and crafts. The ZBAITU M81 laser engraving machine, all you need is to put the picture you want, upload it on the machine, then this machine will laser engrave the picture on the material you want and give your job a unique, and personalized style. Number 3. FEUNGSAKE Laser Engraving Machine. FEUNGSAKE offers 100 cm big area engraving machine using 15-word laser. The power can be from 5500 mW to 1600 mW, which can be used for engraving and cutting materials such as wood, jade, glass, leather, gold, and silver, etc. This laser engraving machine can be used for laser beam show and engraving logo on it. However, the power of laser beam show is limited by law. It is a powerful laser machine and can be used for precision engraving and cutting. The laser engraving machines use dual-axis motor, so the engraving speed is fast, the engraving accuracy is high. Number 2. NEJE 2's Max Laser Engraving Machine. NEJE 2's Max 80-word CNC desktop wireless laser cutting and engraving machine. It's very easy to operate, is not difficult to learn how to use, with powerful function, convenient in use, and it is very suitable for both commercial and non-commercial. It is a professional engraver and cutter integrated in one and has a wide range of engraving and cutting materials such as acrylic, wood, bamboo, leather, paper, leather, rubber, plastic, acrylic, and so on. You can engrave and cut on them freely and easily. Number 1. Ortur LM2 Laser Engraving Machine. The Ortur LM2 is your ticket to a full range of creative possibilities by engraving, cutting and burning almost any material up to 6 inches deep and 24 inches wide. The LM2 is perfect for hobbyists, makers, DIers and even light manufacturing. It integrates laser, engraving and cutting into one machine, saving on space and allowing you to do more in one sitting. This laser machine comes with a 32-bit motherboard and 10-word, 20-word and 30-word laser head with different applications. All this power and possibility is in a package that weighs only 20 pounds, making the Ortur LM2 one of the most portable lasers you can find. This laser machine can be used for engraving and cutting on wood, leather, acrylic, glass, stone, and so much more. With an internal cooling system and an easy-to-use interface, the Ortur LM2 is a cutting and engraving powerhouse that you can use anywhere. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product review video from the channel.